Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a solution to anyone whose fridge has leakage. Mine today had some and I worked on it and I thought it twice to share with you guys. So our tools of operations will be a screwdriver. In any fridge operation, we are guided to always ensure that the fridge is in switch off mode. So, without much ado, and there we are, we can begin our operations. So a fridge mainly or basically collects water in this water collector. So if your fridge has a leakage, the first place you should come to is this water collector. So we are going to work on these two screws. This one here and the other one is right here. We unscrew them and drain the water. You have to pull it slightly more carefully because it has water, to ensure that the water does not flow or drain on the other parts of the refrigerator. Thank you and goodbye.